PHP is used in many ways for many different applications, such as the CMS frameworks, coding frameworks, open source projects, e-commerce frameworks, and databases. PHP is used in lots and lots of different ways. It's also used on many popular websites such as Facebook, in blogs like WordPress, e-commerce sites, which there are many, and others like Yahoo. Yahoo uses PHP in order to bring back query information when people search for elements. By no means is this course intended to be a programming course. This course is meant to give you an overview and an understanding of PHP and MySQL as it's used in e-commerce and website development. Web design and development is constantly changing, and PHP, MySQL, Apache, and XAMPP are all no exceptions. The book for this course will hopefully help you to understand the concepts which are the most important parts of PHP programming. Even from time to time, this course is, from the time that this course is being developed to the time that you actually are viewing it and taking the course, some of the links and information may have already changed, updated, and evolved. When this happens, and it will definitely happen while you're a designer or developer at some point, you must find professional resources to help you kind of muddle through all the changes and figure out how things have changed and what things are. So Zen is one of them that we use for PHP. They even have their own tutorial section for beginners, which you can take advantage of during this course if you'd like to. There's also learn-php.org, and this is a type of site where you can enter your code and then click the run button and see how it performs in a live browser environment. The book also talks about some new changes for PHP 7 and how you might write the code slightly different. For the most part, codes are the same, all the PHP codes are the same, but there's new things in PHP 7. For instance, you don't need to use the question mark closing bracket in order to end all of your documents. It's still okay to use because this is still supported in the browser and it hasn't been depreciated yet, but eventually it will be. We saw a lot of this in HTML when it went from the lower versions of HTML to HTML5. We had lots of things that we were used to that became depreciated, such as iframes. So let's get started and let's start learning PHP and MySQL.